Alright, so here's the trending tab, and there's my channel right there. Creator on the rise. You know what that means. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my shoe custom channel. As you can see, I'm in a different location. I usually film right over there, but now I'm facing this way. But as you saw in the beginning of the video, right now my channel is being featured on the trending page as creator on the rise. So now that I'm famous, I figured, you know what, I might as well do something new that no one's ever seen before on YouTube. So I came up with a genius idea to hydro dip some Air Force 1's. And I'm also going to be giving these away. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram at SneakerStabberCustoms, and then leave a like on this video. And I'll give them away when I hit 5,000 likes. And even if you don't like this video, you can leave a like because this dog's cute. See, look at her. So right now I'm gonna head over to Walmart and pick out some paints for the hydro dip. So the colors that I got were apple red and satin granite, which is like a dark gray color. I know in the video I showed myself grabbing white and black, but I didn't buy those. I have them from last hydro dip video. But before I hydro dip the shoes, I'm gonna paint the swooshes black and then tape off the areas I don't want paint on. So let's do it. So it's currently the next day. I let these things dry overnight to make sure that the paint was on there securely. But this is how they turned out. Hopefully you guys can see from right there. But now it's time to take the tape off and see how these came out. So let's do it. Alright guys, so the shoes are done now. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'm pretty happy with how they came out, but I did have to redo the black paint because I guess I didn't give it enough time to dry before I put it in the water. Don't forget to enter the giveaway if you guys want to win these. I will announce the winner when I hit 5,000 likes. My video for next week is a custom video, and these are by far my best customs ever, so make sure you guys don't miss that. But that's it for this video, so I'll see you guys in the next one.